Cleaning is a necessary part of our everyday lives, but it can take too much time. However, some practical tactics and tips can help you reduce the time you spend cleaning and tidying up your home, freeing it up for other fun things to do. In this video, I'll show you some efficient ways to save time on cleaning. So let's get started! Before you start cleaning, develop your to-do list. Think about which rooms and areas need to be cleaned first and start from there. This can include cleaning horizontal surfaces, visible dirt, or areas with the most traffic in your home. As for me, I like to start with the hallway and the kitchen. This is where we have the most traffic, and if guests come in, it's the hallway they see first, and then we tend to move on to the kitchen. And to be honest, in my house, these are the two rooms that require the most cleaning in comparison to the other rooms. So I prefer to start with the tasks that will bring the most visible results and benefit. Please write down in the comments below which area of your home you have to clean most often. Did you know that we tend to complete tasks as long as we have time to do them? The Parkinson's law states the following: work expands to fill the time available for its completion. In other words, when we have limited time to complete a task, we tend to be more focused and efficient in our work. For example, if you give yourself 5 minutes to clean the bathroom, you are more likely to be focused and complete the necessary tasks in that time. However, when we have more time than usual, we may spend it less efficiently. We tend to slow down and engage in the task longer than necessary. For example, if you get 20 minutes to clean the same bathroom, you may start doing tasks slower and use that time less productively. With this point in mind, it's important to set realistic time limits for cleaning and stick to them so you can be more productive and efficient in your use of time. The right cleaning tools can greatly speed up the cleaning process. Cleaning robots of today can map your home, detect dirt, mop and vacuum your floors, and even clean themselves. Isn't it incredible? Today I'll be reviewing the Narwal Freo. It's a flexible cleaning tool that demands very little from you. This is an AI robot mop with powerful vacuum capabilities. Furthermore, it has a suction capacity of up to 3000 PA. And because to its self-cleaning base station, it requires extremely minimal maintenance. Doesn't that sound fantastic? Let's take a closer look at the Freo's features and capabilities. The Narwal Freo features an innovative function that elevates cleaning to a new level. Freo is more than just a robot. It's a robot that can sense dirt in the same way that you do. Dirt Sense is a cleaning mode that allows your robot to be as independent as possible, so you never have to worry about your floors again. To make that a reality, Freo can determine whether floors require additional cleaning without your participation. However, not all rooms have the same needs. Dirt Sense allows Freo to constantly monitor the cleanliness of the floors when in Freo mode. For example, when the robot was cleaning this coffee puddle, it went to the docking station to clean the mop pads, and after that it came back to the spot to continue cleaning until it was perfectly clean. This function is a game changer for me, because the device does its job without involving me in the cleaning process, and it definitely saves my time. Freo knows to return and keep cleaning floors that require more attention and stop washing floors that are already spotless. Dirt Sense ensures that your floors are constantly clean without spending any extra time, energy or water, and you receive the greatest clean possible while saving money and helping the environment. The patented high-speed spinning mop pads deliver downward force of 12 N. The original triangular design boasts seamless rotation, leaving no streaks behind. Thanks to the corner traps technology, the Freo periodically activates Smart Swing that deals with the dust in corners and baseboard. Ensure the mops are closer to the edge of the wall by twisting the rear of the robot for mopping. With combination vacuum mops, it's essential that the robot be able to determine which of its two functions it needs to engage. The Freo's mop lifts automatically when a carpet is detected to prevent dragging a dirty mop across clean floors. Mop floors and vacuum carpets can be efficient in one clean. The base station of Freo is the smart solution for before, during and after cleaning. We've already checked the automatic mop washing function of Dirt Sense before. Another useful feature here is automatic mop drying. After the mop pad has been used, the base station automatically dries it using gentle hot air at around 40 degrees. This ensures that the mop pad is dry and free of bacteria and ready to use again. Moreover, every time the base station washes the mop, the detergent will automatically mix into the water. This takes the guesswork out of the cleaning process and ensures that the mop is always properly cleaned. Look at the mop pads before and after. I like it so much that I don't need to do anything except changing the dirty water. Freo makes everything itself, saving your time and giving you a nice feeling of walking on the clean and shiny floor. You can find more information about the Narwal Freo in the description box below. When cleaning a room or space, it makes more sense to start at the top and work your way down. For example, in the kitchen, you might start with the top cabinets or shelves, wiping and dusting their surfaces. Then move on to the countertop and stove. And after that, you can start cleaning the floor. This way you will avoid dust or dirt from the floor settling on surfaces that have already been cleaned, thus maintaining cleanliness and minimizing the need for repeated work. This method will help you save time and effort when cleaning a room or space. I like to use the one-time method when cleaning. The essence of it is that you focus on doing all the necessary tasks in the room at the same time, which saves time and avoids repetitive work. Think about which tasks you can do in one go to optimize your cleaning time as much as possible. For example, if you need to vacuum the floor, you can let the floor be wiped at the same time to get all the dust and dirt off of it. Or clean the bathroom sink while the bathroom cleaner works on the dirt. This approach will save time because you won't have to come back to these tasks later. If you liked this video, please show it to me by hitting the like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you are new. See you next week. Bye bye!